Good morning. Just as the train's rumbling past, here we are, we're back at a not so sunny Luton this morning. As you can see, we've got a grey, horrible old day. Just having a little wander around the site. I haven't actually yet got the birds out yet, as you can see. No birds on the roof. Just have a little wander around with my old trusty bird scarer. I just want to show you that what's hidden on these rooftops, and you can see now that the sky's completely empty. But here we go. Here we go. And there you go, look. You wouldn't think they were hunkered down this much on this roof, would you? Oh, a little lump of crap down my back. That's the other downside to seagull jobs. They mess all over you. But look, straight away, look. Every single one of these birds is hunkered down on these rooftops already. All gaining their territorial little areas, claiming their nesting sites for the season that's about to approach. Like I say, albeit that they won't build any nests as such yet. Round about end of April, beginning of May is when they really start to sort of hunker down, laying their eggs. But even so, this time of the year, they are still claiming back their same areas from previous seasons. Some of these birds will be returning here for years and years and years, back to the same nesting areas to raise young. Hence why, as you can see, it's such a big roost. These birds have been here for years. Like I say, the youngsters will then return to the areas where they were bred, and as you can see, it will just naturally become a major seagull roost. And like I say, a minute ago, you wouldn't even think there was a gull here, would you? You would have thought it was a nice, quiet, normal day. Like I say, because of this thing here, like I say, this is not even getting out of bird out yet. You'll see all the Jacob's ladders around the outside, like here, where I climb up onto the roof and I'll call the bird up with me. And once we get up high on the rooftops, then it causes even more of an impact. But I just wanted to do this little video just to show you just the sheer amount of numbers that the birds will return every year. Literally, well, over 100 birds there. Like I say, you know, like I've said in previous videos before, you get every single one of these pairs will lay up to sort of 3 eggs each in a clutch. And if they all successfully all hatch and survive, then them youngsters will then go on to adulthood to come back to rear young themselves. And left sort of treated as such, this is why we have to have egg removal licences applied for, because we can't have this amount of birds just left to keep rearing young each year. Albeit the fact that licences are really hard to get accepted, a lot of the times they do refuse them because gulls are protected.